So, Jessica, big lead up, easy question. Can you spot the strategy of the prosecutors?
Right now, I think the strategy is to lay this out as clearly as possible for the jury as far as the timeline and the different people involved. You have to remember they selected a jury who isn't necessarily all that familiar with all of the different people and all the different facts the way a lot of people have been following this case are. So what they're trying to do is set up in a somewhat sequential manner, as closely as they can, through different witnesses, the different people who've been affected throughout this time period, in this time frame of September 2019 through about December 2019, when they decided that they needed to go ahead and exhume Tammy Daybell's body. And so I think today they did two things that were really very effective. And they are presenting this evidence in a way that I think the jury is going to be able to understand and move through everything.
Here's my big question, though, after, listening through the opening statements, and I have to make this quick, this answer, but I did not get a good feeling from the opening statements that the prosecutors have a whole lot that are going to tie Lori Vallow to murdering or conspiring to murder. And I can see you nodding, so I feel like you're kind of on my page.
I agree. And I think the phone call today connected her to at least knowing what had happened and not caring about what had happened. That's going to be significant to the jury. She knows the kids are likely buried there, doesn't have a reaction. But as far as the conspiracy, we're going to need to know more about what was her involvement prior to that. What did she do to aid and abet it? Things like that. So they're going to have to bring in more nuggets as this case goes along that ties her into the actions.
Which means I'm going to have to bring you back as well. Jessica Bublitz, thank you for this. I appreciate it.
Great. Thank you, Ashleigh.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.